In this video, I rebuilt my entire marketing agency website in just one prompt. No Figma, no designer, no code, just Cloud Design. Complete watch this video. If you love that video, like and subscribe that channel and comment down that useful or not till the end of video. I have a confession. My website Digizier.com took me week to build, but today I am going to rebuild the whole thing in just one prompt using Cloud Design. Anthropic, brand new AI tool that launched literally yesterday. No Figma, no designer, no code. Let's go. Before we start, let me quickly explain what the cloud design. In for everyone new here, cloud design is a brand new product for the Anthropic, the company that makes cloud AI. It lets you describe what you want visually. The cloud build you can prototype, website, pitch deck, marketing assets, and any kind of. The you can also use Opus 4.7 that is useful for the Pro and Max and Team Enterprise plan. The best part, brilliant and big tech company use is in this video in just one prompt the cloud design that build my complete entire my website prototype. Okay, let me open the cloud design. So first here I create my prototype first like the Digizier. Here is my website. That is my website like 2 years ago. And here's AI agent services, website development, marketing meta ads and social media XYZ services for my agencies. And here you just go the cloud and here I create my name first and you can also connect your design system also. You just go to the here design system and create your design and write with the name of the company and name and blur. You just go to the here I just also make that how you can make that. You just go to the cloud and cloud ask them, and here I paste my website and ask them, hey, I need that prototype. You can make in just one prompt. That is the big advanced prompt that I paste in the cloud design and that build for me like prototype. And also the same, I just ask them, hey, I need a design system, the company name and blur that makes a description, and I just copy that and paste the mirror. You just go to the here and paste here and generate and just take this 15 minutes. So see that now the design system is be ready and I also publish that and using as the default. I just go to the home and here the Digizier design system that is the default and just I write here name the Digizier and that high fidelity and create that. And just I just paste that prompt like hyper here. I just copy that and paste here, and that is the my prompt and the Digizier design system and created prototype and H1 and H2 design and just send them. And that is built the complete prototype for me according my website. So now Cloud Design make my entire website prototype. Here is the portfolio and here is the blogs and here is the tools and context. And there is the web page, Google Ad, Meta Ads. You see that that is the prototype. You can also you that every details in my website. You see that there is the my all the details that Cloud make and XYZ changes. If you need any kind of changes, you just go to the here, you just color change like that according my themes, color, the compact, and you can also change the cursor. Uh, any kind of detail, you can also do that from here. You can also book an appointment. That prototype you can just export as HTML, yeah, PPTX, and yeah, zip file, and just provide in the cloud node. You can also send that file with the cloud code. Cloud code build that entire website according your cloud design. That is the game changer for the every designer, UI UX designer. And book an appointment, you just go to the here and create name and consultation start wholly XYZ and book an appointment, contact details, that complete details, cloud code, understand and build your complete website. In this video, if you love that video, please like and subscribe and comment that and love that video.